How you guys doing? TGITF. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. Yeah, today we're going to do a Porsche. Number 4 on HP7. Some of you guys' favorite chassis. Yes, sir. I'll bring you guys around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Not too bad. Car. Hit 270? Yeah, hit 270. Probably get 280, 290 out of her. I'll clean the chassis up a little bit. Yeah, that rag's stuck underneath the damn camera. Nova's Clean and Shine #1 only. Do not use #2 or #3 on your car, or you will regret it. It's stuck on 265. Runs real nice and smooth. Alright. That's real good. 77 on low roll. Here we go. Number 4 is #1. Yeah, it's got that turbo on the windshield, and mine is missing. #1. Blue, green, white, #4 Porsche Turbo. 8586, lighted HP7. 6903. Availability is a 3. On a scale of 1 to 10, that makes it average. Black, green, white, #4 Porsche Turbo. Has sloped nose and large rear deck wing. 935. Not a 17, not a 62. Or a Carrera. Porsche 935. Alright, we got 270 hours, 75 probably. Let's take her over to the track and take her first spin. Every time I do that, every single time. I come down here and I stand on this end and blow it right around the corner. Fucking flies right off. We have a major malfunction down here. Oh yeah. Are you serious? Alright, I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna rip the damn track apart for about an hour. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I took the little 3 inches, the 2-3 inches that I had over there, I took them the hell out. They're gone. And I made the track a little longer, so who cares? I'm not racing in Hopper. I don't give a shit. So, yeah. And if I was, I'd probably beat half the field anyway, even though my track's an extra 40 inches longer. About what it is, too, about 40 inches longer. I'm going to close the curtain and turn the lights out, and we'll make this headlight show up, maybe, if the car stays on a frickin' track. Yeah, you probably can't see it. It's not bright enough. Needs to be LED. Yeah, just come off down here. I don't care. Yeah, just come off down here. I don't care. And right there, same spot. Yeah, I don't like these asshole guide pins they put on these pieces of shit. I don't like them because I have zero tolerance for them. Yeah, they're little candy ass guide pins. You see that guide pin? That thing sucks. It's a little candy ass guide pin, and The damn grooves in this thing are longer, deeper than a Tyco's, so they don't want to stay on. Yeah, I know, it's a operator error. Operator error. I suck at driving. I just don't drive that much, and I do suck. And these HP7s are great chassis. It just, those guide pins, they really do suck. If you put a different guide pin in it, you'll just crack the chassis. Right down the middle, right down the middle, right there. You just break it right in half. It'll break right, and it'll never hold a guide pin ever again. And if you've ever done that before, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, don't do it. But yeah, tires are all dirty on here. Hope you guys like that car. 935. It has no turbo sticker in the window. Who cares? Yeah, the guy who had this, like, oh, it keeps peeling on, I'm just ripping it off and throw it away. Yeah, just rip it off, throw it away. What are you gonna do? You got a better one than that? Let me know. You got a Porsche with a turbo in the window, or you got a windshield with turbo in the window. Got a busted rear spoiler or just a windshield. Let me know. Appreciate you guys coming in. Today is Friday. I will be building a pit kit. Probably build this one right here, Firebird. I guess. I got that one. I got that 41 Willys custom panel gasser body. And I got that Corvette that's hanging up there. Oh, and a van. A 4-gear van. You guys think about what you want. What we want me to build tonight. And I will build it. Yes, sir. Yeah. Today's Monday. This is, you're watching this Friday. I went today and had my colonoscopy done. It's the third one. I had one when I was 30, one when I was 40. No, one when I was 40, one when I was 50, and one when and this one here, 59, almost 60. I'll be 60 in May, so yeah. Every 10 years, go and get one done. Yep. Men's health awareness. I saved my buddy's life because, yeah, we had PWA, personal wellness assessment for our old insurance, and he didn't have enough points. And I said, go get a colonoscopy. He goes, what's that? I told him what it was. He goes, yeah, I think I should have that done. And he went and had it done. He had colon cancer and rectal cancer. They cut it out, sewed up his butt crack, and gave him a bag. And then they moved it over here. He had a hernia. Then they moved it back over here because he had a hernia on that side. So, yeah. But he's alive and well. Yeah. So, think about it. Go get it done. You don't feel a thing. The nurse gives you Demerol right in your IV, and you fall asleep before the doctor comes. He came in and he said hi, and I said hi back. That's all I remember saying, hi back. And then I woke up and I was laying there, and I started farting. Yeah, you got to fart. They won't let you leave until you fart a couple times. Real good, so, yeah. But that's it. We'll get off that subject for now. So, yeah. Go get her done. And I had one pull up. He said it was really small. He goes, it was benign. He could tell just by looking at it. It was no big deal. So, yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in. And, yeah, like I said, man, men's health. Get stuff done you need done. Don't find out too late. Alright, appreciate it. And you guys leave a message down in the comments. I always answer all of them. Sometimes if I don't answer, it might take a couple weeks because I have to go in and check the ones that were held. They weren't approved for some stupid reason. YouTube holds them and puts them in there, and then I gotta go find them. And then I find them and I answer them, and then I unhold them. So, yeah. Appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys tonight, hopefully. Yeah. And, yeah, we'll build some pit kits tonight. Alright. Yeah, we got 2 more of these to give away. The green one. And dark green. Yeah, dark green, light green. And then the dark green here and the light green there. Kind of hard to tell in the light, but they are different with black on the top. And I got a peach one here. Peach, whatever that color is. Lighter peach? I don't know. And black top. So yeah. Their build plates are pretty cool. You want to build a pit kit. These are great. I'm going to build a pit kit on it tonight, Friday night. Not tonight, Monday night. Tonight, Friday night. And, yeah, hope you guys are there. And, yeah, we had a great time last Friday. And, we'll have a great time again this Friday. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye.